Hi all. So today let's discuss about a burning topic. So what is a burning topic? Sore throat. So sore throat, we know when everyone is affected with sore throat, we will be feeling a pain throughout the day and irritation throughout the day, and it will be disturbing our focus throughout the day. Okay. So how can we get rid of this sore throat at the earliest? That will be what we will be thinking. So what we must do first, what we can do is that take any pain balm, any authentic Ayurveda pain balm, you must massage in this area all. Then what you must do, you must take a steam with water boiled with dry ginger. And then after taking the steam, what you have to do is that prepare one glass of hot water with a little turmeric, salt and basil leaves. When you prepare this water, turmeric is having antibacterial, antiviral property. And how about tulsi leaves? It helps to liquefy the mucus. So it will help to expel out the phlegm. Okay, so you must do gargling. Repeat the gargling 4 to 5 times a day. Definitely it will help you a lot. Okay, and I will be telling you a list of decoctions. Among these, whichever is convenient for you, you can make it. So first decoction is that we must take 3 glasses of water. Put 3 betel leaves in that and 10 pepper. And in that you can add a little, about 1 inch of ginger also. Crush and add it. So 3 glasses of water, this decoction water, reduce it to 1 glass and take it. So taking it morning and evening, it is also very good. Then what we can do, sometimes the phlegm is of different nature, isn't it? Today it will be looking like water, and after 2 to 3 days it will be white thick mucus, then yellow mucus. So this is the nature of the phlegm. So what we can do here, we must be drinking water throughout the day, hot water throughout the day. That is, we must not allow our throat to get dried. That is very important, because if the throat is get dried, it is a very good environment for the bacteria or virus to multiply and grow there, and thereby creating more trouble to us. So next what we can do, next I will be telling you about, we must prepare 1 teaspoon of ginger juice, 1 teaspoon of garlic juice, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. Along with that, add 3 teaspoons of honey. Take this 2 to 3 times a day. Nowadays we know we have small kids at home, they are having recurrent respiratory tract infections. Any school you go, you can see that once upon a time, if there was 50 students in a class, okay, 45 of them will be present always, 5 of them will be absent always. Now it have become the opposite. That is, 5 students will be coming to the school regularly, rest the 45 of them will be taking long leaves because of this respiratory tract infection. So definitely you must try this and you will be getting result. Okay, so I'm not telling to not rely on this home remedies. You have to go and meet a doctor. So they will be telling you what all things you have to do. Okay, so after these 2 preparations, then next preparation what I will be going to tell you is that take a little pudina leaves. Okay, 4 to 5 pudina leaves you can take it. Then along with that, take some lemongrass. Okay, crush it, boil it in 3 glasses of water, then add a little ginger also. Okay, then reduce this 3 glasses of water to 1 glass and you can take it. Now, we know about the sun rays is having a magical effect, isn't it? Vitamin D. Sunray produces what? Vitamin D. Vitamin D gives us more immunity and strength to our bones. Not only that, immunity means what? Here, how it will help in respiratory tract infection? Let us check. So, let's go on the sun rays. That is, we must be expelling our tongue like this on the sun rays. Okay, and when we do like this, our throat will be cleared by the sun. Okay, for at least do it 2 to 3 times or 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, it will be better. After that, what you must do, again you must do gargling. Okay, so it is very important. Then what all things you must do, avoid the cold items in a day. That is very important. You must drink hot water. Keep on drinking hot water. You must never allow your throat to get dried. If you allow your throat to get dried, this virus or bacteria can multiply and produce infections. So you must not allow that. Keep on drinking the hot water. Check your appetite and take the food. What type of food you have to take? hot, warm food and light food you have to take. Avoid oily fried items, avoid cold items. Very, very important. Okay. So this much is the home remedies I am telling you. But what is the treatment principle of Ayurveda? I will tell you. Okay. So first we will be expelling this phlegm from the body. Anything you know, Ayurveda will be treating from the root. So what we can do? After this, what we must be meeting a physician, and the physician first he will be giving us the medicines to relieve the phlegm. After that, what they will be giving you the medicines according to your condition, and then they will be giving you the medicines to increase your immunity level. Because if you are not at all having immunity, then what happens is that this respiratory problems will again affecting us, because after corona most of us are troubling because of this. Okay, so follow what all information I have told to you, and please comment and please like and support. Okay, thank you.